we're beginning to enter Asia Pacific. This is an entry point for us into the market. So it was an opportunity to bring our technology and our company here for those customers, but then also to explain it and show it to other potential customers in the region.
The overall quality of the event itself is absolutely top rate. The venue itself is outstanding. I also think the show organizers do a very good job in terms of the quality of the actual event. Everything from the speaker series that's out in the back over here, having a nice theater set up, having a very well laid out show, very well organized pods and displays. So I think the quality is really strong that way. So I thought that was very impressive.
Great quality this year. We've had very good engagements with some of our clients. I think the pace of the show really allows for quality discussions. We've been very impressed with some of the ideas of the show organizers. I think the tech theater is an example of those features, with the ability to have a sandbox for startups to come and present to industry some of the great ideas that they have and create very good interactions at that level.
Rotorcraft and Unmanned Systems Asia 2019 has been a huge success for us as Volocopter. Combining Rotorcraft and Unmanned Systems really also is a very smart thing, because I see these two industries converging more and more, and because of that it's just natural to also conclude the two exhibitions together, because there are a lot of contact points. So I thought that was a very good idea.
Well, as a growing company with a global mindset, we wanted a show where international delegates from around the region will be coming in to search for real solutions to problems that they have. And we were very pleasantly surprised to find that many of the people who came to our booth had tangible issues that we could provide solutions for. And we're looking forward to attending the next edition of Unmanned Systems Asia,